ह्रां मित्राय नमः. Keep your legs together. Inhale, bend back. Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Padahastasana. Left leg back. Inhale. Look up. Exhale, Parvatasana. Touch your feet completely on the ground. Sashangasana. Ashtangasana. Inhale. Exhale. Left leg forward. Inhale. Exhale. Padahastasana. Inhale. Hasta Uttanasana. Namaskara. Pranamasana. Om Hrim Ravaye Namaha. Ekam. Dve. Trini. Chatvari. Pancha. Sast. Sapta. Ashta. Nava. Dasha. Ekadasha. Dvadasha. Om Hrum Suryaya Namaha. Ekam. Dve. Trini. Chatvari. Pancha. Sast. Sapta. Ashta. Nava. Desha. Ekadasha. Dvadasha. Om Hrom Bhanave Namaha. Okay, do it properly. The proper stretch. Inhale. Exhale. Right leg back. Aswasanchalan. Inhale. Look up. Exhale. Mountain pose. Parvatasana. Touch your feet completely on the ground. Chin on the chest. Touch your palms completely on the ground. Now Sashankasana. Touch your head on the ground. Buttocks on your heels. Half moon pose. Come up. Come forward. Ashtangasana. Exhale. Chin and chest on the ground. Keep the 8 parts of the body touching on the ground in Ashtangasana. And inhale, look up. Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Now right leg forward. Aswasanchalana. Look up. Exhale, Padahastasana. Hasta Uttanasana. Namaskar. Om Rau Kaghaya Namaha. Ekam. Dve. Trini. Chatvari. Pancha. Sast. Sapta. Ashta. Nava. Dasha. Ekadasha. Dvadasha. Om Raha Pushne Namaha. Ekam. Dve. Trini. Okay, let's do Anjaneyasana. Shri Ram Ram Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tattulям Rama Namavaranane. Shri Ram Ram Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tattulям Rama Namavaranane. Stay there and feel the devotion, determination and dedication of Lord Hanuman. Great strength. Now, Parvatasana, mountain pose, stay there. Feel the wonderful energy flow to the spinal towards your brain. It will improve great strength to your hands and legs. Leg power. That's why before running competition, people do this asana. This is great asana to improve your leg power. Sashankasana. Relax. Completely relax. Child pose. Be happy, peaceful. It's a great asana for your stress relief. Get rid of all the stress. Improve your immunity. వ్యాధి నిరోధక శక్తిని పెంచడానికి గొప్ప ఆసనం ఇది. Simple pose for the relaxation. Now come forward. Ashtangasana. Chin and chest on the ground. Stay there 5 breaths. Normal breathing. Inhale, Sarpasana. Look up. Now mountain pose. Now right leg forward. Push your left leg, left toe back, and then Anjaneyasana. Jai Lord Hanuman. Jai Hanuman Jnana Guna Sagar. Jai Kapishati Hiloka Ujagar Ramaduta Krita Bagamanjana Putra Pavan Sutanama. Mahavira Vikram Bajrangi Kumat Nivar Sumataka Sangi Kanchana Varana Viraj Suvesa. Kanana Kundala Kunchata Kesa Hada Vajra Odvaja Viraje Kandhe Munjane Usaje. शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप जय वंदन विद्यावान गुणिय चातुर राम काज करिवेको आतुर प्रभु चरित्र सुनवेको रसिया राम लखन सीता मन बसिया सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सीध कावा विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे रामचंद्र काज सवारे लाय सजीवन लखन जियाये श्री रघुवीर हर विलाये पाद हस्तासना से देयर नॉर्मल ब्रीथिंग. Feel the wonderful stretch at your legs, energy flow in your brain. It's a great asana for your concentration, memory power, and removes all the fatigue, laziness. The great immune power. Slowly come back in here. Stay there. 5 breaths. Hasta Uttanasana. आदित्यस्य नमस्कारं नित्यं कुर्वन्ति दिने दिने आयुः प्रज्ञं बलं वीर्यं तेजस्तेषां सजायते. Relax in Sidla. Tadasana, relax, head to toe and toe to head. Now relax in Savasana. Relax completely. From the tip of the toe to the top of the head. Relax. Relax your whole legs, toes, heels, calf muscles, ankle joints. Pull up your kneecaps, relax. Relax your thighs. Squeeze your buttocks, relax. Relax whole legs. Take a deep breathing in. Akara. Feel the Akara vibrations throughout your legs. Relax, hold the leg apart. From the tip of the toe to the hip joints, complete relaxation. Now you tight up your feet, relax. Relax your hands, fingers, wrist joints, upper hands, uh, shoulders. Exhale completely. Relax your lower abdomen, upper abdomen. Take a deep breath. Expand your chest. Relax your lungs, heart, and your back, neck, throat. Take a deep breath. Ukara. Relax, hold the trunk part, the middle part of your body. And observe the vibrations of Okara throughout your middle part. Now let us relax the upper part of the body, head. Relax your chin, make a big smile. Relax your lips, mouth. Squeeze your nose, relax your nose, eyes, ears, forehead, back of the head, top of the head. Relax whole head region. Take a deep breath. Makara. Feel the Makara vibrations throughout your head region. Relax the whole head region and feel the resonance. Let us relax the whole body, tip of the toe to top of the head. Take a deep breath. Akara, Ukara, Makara, 1:2 ratio. Long breathe out with the Omkara. Feel the Omkara vibrations throughout the body from the tip of the toe to the top of the head. Relax and merge yourself into Ananta Samapatti, the whole universe, the infinite universe, the Om, 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 relax and merge into that supreme self. Yoga means union of this body, mind, and the self, Atma. శరీరము మనస్సు ఆత్మ అనుసంధానమే యోగం. ఆత్మ పరమాత్మలో అనుసంధానం చేయడమే యోగం. రిలాక్స్ కంప్లీట్లీ. Slowly take your legs together, hands together. Now let's do another most important thing for the immunity. Okay, Yoga Nidrasana. Oh, happy child. The more you are happy, the more you are healthy. You take your both heels onto the hands. Push back, push back as much as possible. ఎంతవరకు పుష్ చేయగలరో అంతవరకు పుష్ చేయండి. Push back. Keep smiling. Big smile on your face. Push back your both legs as much as possible. You can keep holding. Okay, చేతులు సహాయంతో చేయండి. And keep smiling. Be there for some time. Normal breathing. Be happy. Be happy. This will activate all your happy hormones. Dopamine. Be happy. Be keep smiling. And keep your mind pure unto the Paramatma. This is a very good relaxation position called Yoga Nidrasana. Slowly come back. Take your legs straight, hands back, Ardha Halasana. Stay there. Legs straight. Keep your legs straight. Now push back. Sarvangasana. Straight up. Chin on the chest. Stay there 5 breaths. Slowly take your legs back, hands back. Back down. Legs down. Relax. Savasana. Now let's do Matyasana. It's a great asana for improving the oxygen levels and all the respiratory system cleansing. So wonderful asana for the thyroid and the respiratory lungs and the heart. Okay, come to Padmasana and then push your back up with the support of elbows. Touch the top of the head on the ground. Hold your both heels. Hold wet toes, big toes. Stay there, normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Unfold your legs. Relax. Relax whole body. Relax. Now slowly take your hand back, turn on your right, slowly get up on your side. Come to sitting posture. Any comfortable meditative posture. Padmasana, Siddhasana or Vajrasana. Sit straight, neck and spinal straight. Okay, let us do practice the deeper breathings. Okay, first thing, inhale deeply, raise your hands upwards, exhale down, deep inhale, raise your hands up, long exhale. The most important part is pranayamas. Okay, pranayamas we must practice with a complete concentration. Deeper breathings. Take your hands forward, exhale completely, inhale deeply, stretch your hands, expand your lungs. Exhale slowly. Inhale deeply. Expand. Exhale. Okay. Let us do Kapalabhati Pranayama. Both hands in Chin Mudra, neck and spinal straight. Active exhalation, passive inhalation. Keep eyes closed. When you exhale, take your stomach inside. Pull your stomach inside. Pump out. Inhalation automatically goes in. Keep exhaling, keep exhaling. 60 rounds per minute. Speed up, 120 rounds per minute. Gradually slow down. Relax, keep eyes closed and observe Kevala Kumbhaka Sthiti, automatic cessation of the breath. Complete calmness in your mind. Beautiful smile on your face. You can observe very slow breathing, natural breathing. Now, Bhastrika. Take a deep breath, raise your hands, up your, open your palms, exhale, slowly bring your hands down and tuck your thumb inside your forefingers. Tight up, fist, Adi Mudra. Deep inhale, raise your hands. Long exhale, tight up. Deep inhale, long exhale. Speed up to 120 rounds per minute. Gradually slow down. Keep eyes closed. Do not open eyes. Kallu తెరవద్దు. Deep inhale. Long exhale. Deep inhale. Observe the top of the head. Receive all the cosmic energy entering from the Sahasrara chakra. Abundant energy. Prayerfully. Keep both hands relaxed on your thighs with Chin Mudra, palms pointing upwards. Keep receiving the energy. Keep eyes closed. Wonderful energy flow. Pranasya dambase sarvam tridive yat pratishtitam मातेव पुत्रानुरक्षस्व श्रीच प्रज्ञा च विदेहिनैति. The whole universe is under control of prana. ఈ విశ్వమంతా ప్రాణశక్తితోటే నిండి ఉన్నది. The E equal to mc square. Everything is energy. The vital energy, vital life force. Prana is only just not only oxygen, but it is the complete life. So you are gaining such a wonderful power. Keep receiving. The corona will run away from the body. All the virals, nothing can enter into your body. The great energy protects you. This is a real protector for your health, for your body and mind, for your health. వజ్ర కవచం. ఏది ఛేదించలేదు, ఏ కరోనా వైరస్ ఛేదించలేదు. అంత గొప్ప శక్తిని ఈరోజు ఈ ప్రాణశక్తితో నింపుకోండి. Now Anulom Vilom Pranayama. Close your right nostril with the right thumb, right hand in Nashika Mudra. Exhale with left nostril. Keep your mind focused on the Paramatma. Take a deep inhale with left nostril. And slowly close your left nostril and exhale with right. Very slow and settle breathing. కుడిముక్కుతో మెల్లగా వదలండి. Inhale with right. కుడిముక్కుతో బాగా పీల్చాలి. And slowly exhale with left. నెమ్మదిగా వదలాలి. Exhalation time should be double than inhalation time. Now this is one round. Repeat another 4 rounds slowly with complete purity of the mind, complete concentration on your breath as a form of Paramatma. This Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama purifies 72,000 nadis in your body. And activates the main channel, energetic channels, Ida, Pingala and Sushumna in your body, such that you will gain the complete health and energy. You will be so energetic and powerful. And this also improves your concentration and memory power. Last round, do it slowly. The more deeper you take the long breathing, the more better it is. Do not make any noise when you're inhaling and exhaling. And release mudra, keep eyes closed. Observe complete calmness in your mind, purity of the mind. Ujjayi Pranayama. Tight up your throat and breathe in with the nose and through your throat. Relax. The wonderful stimulation, energy flow from the throat towards your Sahasrara chakra. Now let us do Brahmari Pranayama. Touch your tip of the tongue onto the palate. Both hands in Shanmukhi Mudra. Close your ears. Close your eyes. Release mudra, relax. Both hands in chin mudra. Do not open eyes. Observe Brahmari vibrations throughout your body, head to toe and toe to head. Feel whole body is relaxed, mind is completely relaxed. This Brahmari pranayama produces the nitric oxide and kills the virals from your lungs and from your nostrils and from all your respiratory system. So that oxygen problem will not come. So daily practicing in the morning and evening these pranayamas helps you to keep protected from all these virals. So only way to kill the virus is nitric oxide. Okay, take a deep breath. Omkara. Feel the vibrations of Omkara, entire body, every cell of the body from tip of the toe to the top of the head. Observe every part and make every cell the pure and the divine. The body is a divine temple. Make it pure. And mind is completely pure and filled with Supreme Self, the pure one. The meaning of Om is Supreme Self, Paramatma. Meditate on Him. No other thoughts, no movements in the body. Nichara Sariram, Nirmala Manasతో ధ్యానించండి. This humming sound from Brahmari, humming sound from Omkara, so we will help you to protect it from all kinds of virals. Meditate with complete purity. One more minute. एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात्। एकदन्तं चतुर्हस्तं पाशाङ्कुशधारिणं तदञ्च वरदं हस्तैर्बिभ्राणं मूषकध्वजं रक्तं लम्बोदरं रक्तवासनं रक्तगन्धानुलिप्याङ्गं रक्तपुष्पैः सुपूजितं भक्तानुकम्पिनं देवं जगत्कारणमच्युतम् आविर्भूतं च सृष्ट्यादौ प्रकृते पुरुषात् परम् एवं ध्यायेत्यो नित्यं स योगी योगिनां वरः। नमो रोतपतये नमो गणपतये नमः प्रथमपतये नमस्ते स्थलम्बोदराय एकदन्ताय विघ्ननाशिने शिवसुताय वरदमूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ईशानः सर्वविद्यानाम् ईश्वरः सर्वभूतानां ब्रह्माधिपति ब्राह्मणोऽधिपति ब्रह्मा शिवमय सदाशिवो ॐ। Let us do Gayatri mantra together. Take a deep breathing in. ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. Keep the bright sun in between eyebrows. Form of Paramatma. Let us always focus on the permanent, infinite Parabrahman who is there all over. Tameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva. The Paramatma himself taken the everything. Why do you take the worry? Why do you want to worry? No fear. Remove all the fear. Let us pray with that universal consciousness for universal peace. Adopt Namaskar Mudra. Take a deep breath. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramayah Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kachid Dukha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. May all the beings happy and peaceful. May you all gain health, happiness and harmony. And may you all share this peace and happiness to all. Keep both hands at your back. Hold your right wrist with left hand. Let us do Yoga Mudra Ishvara Pranidhana. Take a deep breathing in, bend backwards. Exhale, bend down. Try to touch your head on the ground. Complete surrender, body, mind and intellect to Almighty. Relax yourself. Get rid of all your fear. Be happy. Get rid of all the anger, greed, lust, jealous, hatred, ego, attachments, cravings, aversions, all the nonsense from your mind and purify your mind. Liberate yourself. Complete liberation. Be happy and slowly come back with the divine energy and divine qualities. Daivi Sampatti. Teja Kshama Tritisaucham Madroho Natinayatat. The brightness, pure love, compassion, forgiveness, fearlessness, kindness, humanity, divinity, courage, confidence, all such great qualities bring it to you. Your original qualities. Let us lead the life with such a wonderful qualities, with a great character. Gently touch your palms on your eyes. Feel the peace within you. Share this peace and happiness all around you and the entire universe. Let us pray for those who are suffering to recover quickly and safely. And slowly, gently open your palms and look at your palms. Let us use these powerful and holy hands for a great purpose. Thank you all for joining. Make our life more useful, more peaceful, more purposeful, and more meaningful. Have a great day. Thank you all. Namaste.
Thank you, Master.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Ma. Well
Thank
done.
you.
Very good. Very good work.
Thank you,
Yeah,
sir.
right?
Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you. Any?
Yeah.
Thank you. Any questions? So if you do like that, no corona. Okay, nothing can do. Okay. So if you every day see how power you are now, so you must practice like this. Okay. So if COVID patients, so many patients are recovered from these sessions, morning and evening 6 o'clock. We are doing these sessions are helping many patients. If anyone and in facing the problem, ask them to join morning, evening this practice. This is a helpful. So this is only the way to prevent and cure and recover from COVID. So encourage all your friends to do the yoga in all the places wherever they are. Just connect online 6 o'clock and practice this. It's very, very important. So help them. It's only simple words. Just encourage them and motivate them and make sure that this is real power, because they might not know. So, and also the clean nostrils daily with this one. So this will help you to get rid of the virus from the nose itself without before entering into the body. Okay, one day it will stay in nose. So that's why you have to get rid of clean with this nostril cleaning, Jalaneti Kriya, with the warm water and salt, with a little bit of salt. Very simple to do. And the Manavata website, you have yoga.manavata.org. You have the video how to do this. You can see that and try to learn this and practice this. This will help you to prevent all kind of virals. So that's a greatness. And it also cures all the problems: sinus, cold, cough, headache, all the problems. The symptoms the people get with the COVID, all the problems can be actually solved with the just one technique, very simple techniques. It will cure 60 different diseases. Do not neglect it. Okay? Very
Website
simple
ఏది?
kriya.
Website
Okay,
ఏది?
cleaning.
Website ఏది సార్?
Yoga.manavata.org. Yoga.manavata.org. I'll type it here. Very simple technique. You can easily practice it. Okay, in the resources section, you have all the videos for the Jalaneti and for the pranayamas, etc. So you can just practice. Okay, so I'm just copying this link here. You can click on that link and go into the section. You can download some of the very good yoga books as well from that site. And the daily yoga, even for children, they can practice the yoga with that video. I kept one hour video, the practice session in there. So the daily yoga session, and you have a Jalaneti Kriya training as well. And you also share this important section of COVID recovery, so that COVID recovery details are in this page. So this link has got how to recover from the COVID, what are the breathings to be done. So in their leisure time, they can do these breathing exercises. And breathing exercises are most important. The people are neglecting breathing exercises. They're thinking that there is a medicine for this thing. But the pranayama and breathing is only the one way to cure. So that's why there is no other alternative. So should not neglect this basically. So encourage people, let them aware, because they are neglecting and then thinking that okay, something will cure, but medicine is inside, not outside. All the power, the prana shakti is inside. So you have to increase immunity, the boost your immunity. That's only way to fight COVID. So that is why do not neglect this for children or adults or anyone. So but encourage all your friends to make this happen. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you all. Have a good day.